She did it.
No, I didn't.
You find another one.
I can't find it.
Baby Ava.
Well, thank you. Are you getting it for baby Ava? Okay. She's really jumping. Oh, I think you hit her. She's jumping. Go, Ava. Careful, careful. Be gentle. Be gentle. I know he's trying to help her. Okay, be careful. Let's put her band back on. Wait. Very good way. Did we get all of them in that one, Nico? Should Ava get another one? You gonna get that one?
That one.
Okay, you get that one. Pop it. Squeeze it hard. Let's get this one for Ava. Okay, Ava. You ready? You and Nico can work together. Say, I like that. She is having so much fun.
Moppy.
Yes?
Moppy.
Is there one left? Can you get that one? Put it on the floor and we'll get it. Put it on the floor. Yeah, we got two runny noses.
Ah, give me that nose. Give me that nose.
I got it. Is there any more? My goodness, there's so many.
What are you doing with that nose, huh? What you doing with that nose?
Okay, should we have Ava dance some more? Are there some more to pop?
Oh, what's this one?
Is there one left? Okay, should she step on that one? Okay, Ava, you do it. You do it, Ava. You do it. You hit it.
Papa, this one.
She's doing that. I am not.
Papa,
I'm
this
just
one.
holding her.
Papa, this one.
Okay, he's saying hop on this one.
Yeah, what are you doing, Ava?
She's jumping, I'm telling you.
I love it.
Papa, this one.
Poppy, you hop. She's all going, oh my goodness.